Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have awesome exercises for thin and toned legs. All right, spring is here, summer is coming up. That means dresses, shorts, bathing suits. We want to feel good, we want to feel confident, so let's get into it. Now I will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, and then set number 2 and 3, I zip it and we just go straight through the routines, enjoying the music and the movement. All right, our first exercise is going to be hip openers, a classic. You see this in a lot of our videos because it's just amazing for your legs, amazing for hips if you have tight hips, all right? Warming up in the morning, anything like that. We love hip openers, all right? You can have your hands up, you can have your hands out to the side, all right, here on your hips, whatever feels more comfortable for you, okay? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath, and let's go. All right, so it comes up, out, down. So a little circle right here, a little half circle, up, over, and out. All right, really opening those hip muscles, using the outer bum and leg areas, the muscles, all right? Very good, breathing. As we come up, it uses our quad muscles, and then as we open, it uses our outer thigh muscles, all right? It's opening our hips. Very good. Your core muscles for balance, for bringing your leg up, all right? So make sure your core is engaged. Everything is moving with intention, all right? Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have side lunges, all right? So I'm gonna give you 2 variations for this one. Standing where you are, you can step out to the side, and then the other side. All right, or you can do stationary side lunges where you have a wider stance and then you just go side to side. Stationary is a little bit easier. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and do those side step lunges, all right, where you have to step out, come back in, center yourself, and then go to the other side like that, all right? 2 variations there for you, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath. And let's go, all right? So either one, if you chose the stationary or the stepping out to the side, you're gonna come forward a little bit when you come into that side lunge, so like I am right now. Just make sure you have a straight back, all right? We don't wanna curve, all right? And we don't wanna arch. So making sure that you have a nice straight spine, all right? Very important for spine health. Very good. Keeping your chest up though. Your head up, all right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have a classic squats, all right? Squats are just amazing for your entire body, especially your legs. So we're doing them, all right? Feet hip width apart, sitting in an invisible chair, and then coming up, squeeze, 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 and repeat, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath. And let's go. All right, coming down, straight back, no rounding over, no arching. All right, your knees never pass your toes, all right? And if going all the way down kind of gets you out of proper form, if you can't go all the way down, that's okay, do half a squat. Just go about 6 inches and come up. As long as you're squeezing, engaging your entire body, you're doing good and you will feel the benefits, all right? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And come down. You can hold here if you want a little bit. And come up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And release. Awesome job. Last but certainly not least, we have a leg curl or a hamstring curl, all right? So standing, we bend at the knee, our foot comes behind us, and then the other one, all right? This uses your hamstring muscles, your calf muscles, and it stretches your quads, so it's really great all around. We're gonna do 30 seconds, alternating. Alrighty, on the clock, and let's go. Big breath. Very good. It's important to breathe, even with these more simple movements, which are still very effective. It's important to deliver oxygen to your entire body, especially your muscles, all right? Very good. Strong core. Shoulders are pushed away from your ears. All right, make sure you're not Opening up your rib cage, all right? Tuck it in, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. That was it, 1 set of your awesome exercises for thin and toned legs. We're gonna take a second, grab water, breathe, and then do it all again. Alrighty, set number 2, my beautiful people, you know what to do, so I zip it, less talking, more doing. We have our hip openers, all right, then we have our side lunges. I gave you 2 different variations in the first set, all right, then we have our awesome squats, and ending it with awesome leg curls or hamstring curls. 30 seconds each, starting with our hip openers. Big breath, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out, shake it out. Side lunges, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, big breath. And squats. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very, very good. Ending it strong with some leg curls. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and pedal those feet and celebrate. Awesome job. 2 sets done and dusted. Go ahead, grab that water, take a second, breathe, catch yourself, and then we're gonna do set number 3. Woo! Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you got this. Push through, big breaths, take your time, quality over quantity, starting with our hip openers, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and shake it out, shake it out. Side lunges, big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, big breath. And squats. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very, very good. Ending it strong with some leg curls. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and pedal those feet. Alrighty, that was it. 3 awesome sets of your exercises for thin and toned legs. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section also what you would like to see more of. And if you haven't already, click subscribe, click the bell, show us some love. It lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on anything. And I hope to see you on the next one.